Your landing page looks clean, but it's not converting. And the reason is not your colors, not your fonts, it's your layout. In this video, I wanna show you a simple system that can instantly make your website look like professional SaaS product. If you are a beginner, this will fix your design from today. If you are already designed websites, this will upgrade your thinking to pro level. Because we are going to discuss about Z pattern layout. What most designers will ignore, we are going to discuss that. Okay, let me show you something. What's happening here? Can you read here? Is it looking clean and premium? No, right? What's happening here? No clear direction, no focus is here. Right? Can you focus? If you can't focus here, how can user focus here? That's a major problem. Your clients also can't focus because there is no proper text, alignment, hierarchy, CTA, image. There is no any pattern, right? That's the major problem. So we found a problem. We have to fix that, right? Let's fix that. If you see here in this SaaS product, you can read everything clearly, you can scan everything clearly, you can understand everything clearly, right? Why? The reason is Z pattern flow. How it will start? When a user or anyone will open your SaaS landing page, they will start scanning from here. Okay, on the top left you can see logo of that company. SaaS products company logo will be here. After that, it's eye tracking. Okay, already we had seen in previous video about F pattern flow. Now we are looking here Z pattern flow. Okay, we will start scanning from here to here. Here will be a CTA button. After that we can observe here image or video. Next, image and text like this. Diagonal way we will scan. After that we can see here CTA button. Otherwise sometimes we can see here CTA buttons, two CTA buttons also, but it's looking like Z pattern, right? If you see here, we can observe in any SaaS landing page, there are some cards, carousel sections, scrolling sections, company's name scrolling sections, right? Like this. But finally it's look like a Z pattern, right? In the hero section, in case if it's looking clean, okay, but if your hero section will be like this, anybody will stay here? No, within 3 seconds user will leave, right? So what you have to do? You have to follow Z pattern layout. And not only SaaS products, you can use Z pattern in mobile apps also. If you see here, daily meditation, our eye is scanning starts from D to N, right? It's looking like horizontal, and step by step, it's looking like T section, right? But if you observe here, menu to profile, we will start scanning from here to here. After that, we will scan like this here, right? Z pattern. It's looking clean, right? Is it looking clean or is it looking clean? Cause the design is not a decoration. Okay? So what we have to follow this system. We can see here a wireframe of SaaS landing page. Perfect wireframe of a SaaS landing page. Logo will be here, CTA will be here, and sometimes we can use 2 CTA buttons. Okay, it's looking Z pattern, right? After that we have discussed about 3 cards or 4 cards or carousels, right? We can see here. Okay, if you follow this Z pattern system, you can build extraordinary SaaS landing pages. We have to avoid some mistakes, right? Center everything, too much text and no spacing. If you see here, you can observe here, everything is centered. There is no CTA button properly. So many, here is one CTA, here is one CTA, and this is also by now CTA. Lot of CTA buttons are here and no proper direction, no spacing, right? So what we have to do? Now you try this. Sketch a layout and apply Z pattern to that sketch and add content. Let's see what will happen. You can see the magic of Z pattern. Okay, this is exactly how professionals think. If your design still feels off, it's not your creativity, it's your system. In next video, I will show you how to combine Z pattern with grid system to design like real SaaS products. Kindly subscribe and support us because this is where your design actually levels up. Thank you so much.